welcome back to our channel, Educational Hack. Today, we have an exciting topic for all you cloud developers out there. If you work with Python in the cloud, this video is just for you. We'll be sharing 10 Python tips and tricks to enhance your productivity and efficiency as a cloud developer. So let's dive right in. Our first tip is all about virtual environments. Creating isolated environments for your Python projects is crucial, especially when working on multiple projects simultaneously. To set up a virtual environment, use the envelope, which comes built in with Python 3. First, make sure you have Python 3 installed. Then open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to your project folder. Now, create a new virtual environment by running the following commands. This will create a folder named myenv containing the isolated Python environment. To activate the virtual environment on Windows, on macOS and Linux, remember, whenever you're working on a specific project, activate its corresponding virtual environment to keep your dependencies clean and organized. Python 3.6 introduced f-strings, a powerful and concise way to format strings. As a cloud developer, you often need to log and display dynamic data in your applications. Let's see how f-strings can help. Instead of traditional string formatting methods like as or f form, you can now use f-strings as follows. This makes your code more reliable and maintains a clear distinction between variables and strings. Credential management with environment variables. Host for sensitive information like API keys and passwords in your code is a security risk. Instead, utilize environments, manage your credentials securely. In your code, access environment variables, use the OS modules before running your code. Set the environment variables in your operating system or cloud environment on Windows command prompt, on macOS and Linux terminal. This way, your credentials remain private and are not exposed in your source code. Cloud developers often work with asynchronous tasks to improve application performance. Python's async library allows you to write asynchronous code using async, and await keywords. Here's a simple example of asynchronous programming. This enables your code to perform other tasks while waiting for if operations, making your applications more responsive. When working with cloud services, unexpected errors can occur. To handle exceptions gracefully, use the try except block. For instance, if you encounter an API error, you can handle it like this. This ensures your program continues execution even after encountering errors, providing better stability. Logging is essential for monitoring and debugging your cloud applications. Define a simple logging decorator like this. Now, every time you call a function, it will be automatically logged with its. Dealing with large datasets in the cloud can be challenging. Generators offer a memory-efficient solution to handle substantial data. Let's say you have a large file with millions of lines. Using a generator, you can read and process each line one by one. Cloud developers often need to automate tasks like data backups or cleanup. In Linux-based systems, you can use cron jobs for this purpose. To create a cron job, open your cron tab configuration. Then, add a new entry to schedule your Python script. This example schedules your script to run every day at 3 a.m. And proper testing is crucial for any cloud application. PyTest is a testing pipeline where you install pip. Using pip, create a test file with functions named starting with tag. Run PyTest from the terminal to execute your tests. Our final tip is about version control, which is a powerful tool to track changes in your code and collaborate with other developers. First, install a Git on your system and initialize a Git repository in your project folder. Add your project files to the repository, commit your changes with a meaningful message. You can now push your code to a remote repository like GitHub for seamless collaboration and version tracking. And there you have it, 10 Python tips and tricks on cloud developers. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they'll improve your Python development on the cloud. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification.